Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we're gonna see about how you can make daily TRX on daily basis, guys. Okay, it's a simple and easy strategy. You can make daily a passive income with this TRX platform, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. Just watch video carefully and make money with this, guys. Okay, so this is our Telegram channel. If you're not a join in our channel, just join it immediately. Here we will be getting a lot of airdrops freely. We used to post daily, guys. Okay, so you can make money with these airdrops also, guys. Okay, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so this is the video we're gonna see today, and daily TRX freely, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm just sharing the link in the description. Okay, just click on the link and open it. So the page will be like this, guys. Okay, so the page will be like this. Click on sign up option. Okay, click on sign up option. So the page will be open here like this, guys. Okay, email. Okay, so enter your email ID, then enter your login password here. Okay, create a password here. I'm just entering my password here. Okay, just create a password here. Yeah, okay, and Telegram. Okay, under Telegram ID here, and invite code will be, I'll be given for you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I'll share in the description, guys. Okay, just click on sign up option. Just click on sign up option. So the page will be registered, guys. Okay, save it. Okay, I know. So once you register, you will be easily getting 1000 USDT of balance, guys. Okay, 1000 USDT. So it's a simple method. Here base account 0, promotional account 0, experience account 1000, and financial account 0, guys. Okay, so a lot of things are here working on it. So nothing, guys, just open the trading option. So here received, expired, a lot of things are going here. So here invest option is there, then click on share option, then mine option. Okay, everything is shown here, guys. Okay, here you can invest minimum. Okay, just deposit, click on deposit option. Okay, minimum you can invest 5 TRX, guys. Okay, to open your withdrawal. Okay, to open your withdrawal you can invest minimum 5 TRX, guys. Okay, so copy the address and just go to the Binance account or any other account, just transfer your TRX to this address and click on recharge completed, guys. Okay, that's it. So your account will be activated. So after that you will be getting free TRX on daily basis, guys. Okay, you can withdraw your funds also, no issues. Okay, promotional account, which account you have, you can withdraw the funds also, guys. Okay, so 1 USDT equal to 15 TRX. Okay, so this is a thing. So you can invest, a lot of things are given here. You know, deposit, withdrawal, VIP, team, app, white paper, everything is given here. So you can share with your team and you can make a daily passive income also, guys. Okay, so like that, it's a genuine website. So daily you will be getting a trading genuine basis, guys. Okay, how much you are investing, based on that daily you will be getting free recovering mining website, guys. Okay, so this is invest option. If you are ready to invest, you can invest with these options also. Okay, and this is share option. Your link will be shown here. You can share with your friends and you can make money, guys. Okay, this is mining option, deposit, withdrawal, team, finance record, investment record, transfer to basic, share, a lot of things are given here. Okay, so guys, don't miss it out. This is the website is paying good and making good money with this website, so don't miss it out. Just join us and make money with us, guys. Okay, so take your link and share with your friends and make big money with this website, guys. Okay, so this is a new website similar like TRX website, TRX World and my TRX World, TRX, like this, a lot of websites came. So this is a new website. You can contact the customer support here. Okay, click on customer support here. You can contact the customer support also. So a lot of options available. So here is the announcement is given. Okay, give 100% for every recharge. So promotional is available here, so you can check it out that also. Okay, so like that, a lot of promotion of also coming in Usdt.com. This website is paying good and this website just recently only launched. So about the website, if you want to know, you can check it out here. Platform data display, and these are the partnership of the Usdt website. So everything is shown here, guys. Okay, so just don't miss it out. Just register it immediately and deposit minimum deposit 5 TRX and make big money with this platform, guys. Okay, so the website is paying good, guys, so don't miss it out. Just join us and make money with us, guys. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll see you in a great video. Thank you.